Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Huawei MatePad SE. First of all, open App Gallery on Huawei, click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app. After that, go into Play Store on Motorola, type in Send Anywhere as well and install this app from this developer. When your apps are ready, open them. To use Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device, in this case Motorola. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now on Motorola, if you see this kind of pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. I need to rotate my tablet real quick. And then select Receive at the bottom of it, next to Send. On Motorola though, click on Send at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Then click on all of those dots from all of those categories. This way you will select all of those files. In order to send them, click on Send next to Selected. You can also just click on the chosen ones. In my case this one, tap on Send. And finally, in order to continue, click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Huawei. Choose Allow only while in use or Allow this time only. And point your Huawei's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, you need to click on Input Key section under Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers correctly. And finally connect by tapping on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!